Hello and welcome to Ebony People TV. Today we are discussing very exciting development in Enugu State that highlights the government's efforts to transform the state into a hub for business, education and growth. So recently, the Minister of Budget and Economic Planning, Senator Abubakar Bagudu, and the Austrian ambassador to Nigeria, Thomas Klesinga, they both visited Enugu State. I mean, why won't they? With all of the goodness coming out of Enugu State, like back-to-back projects, visibilities of this project. I mean, we are all seeing the hard work that Governor Peter Amba is putting to making sure Enugu State is coming out beautifully well. Let's break down what their visit means and the progress being made without any bias. Just facts and pure analysis. Now, the minister and ambassador came to see firsthand what's happening in Enugu State. This wasn't just a random visit, it's a sign that Enugu State is gaining recognition for its hard work in creating a business-friendly environment. The minister praised the state's leadership for its progress so far and the steps being taken to attract investors and drive development. They even congratulated the governor of Enugu State for the latest investment, or rather investor coming into Enugu, none other than the Landmark Group CEO coming to invest in Enugu State. It's a huge plus, it's not easy. He noted that Enugu is on the track to becoming a hotspot for investment, entrepreneurship and innovation. This tells us that the state isn't just thinking locally, it's setting itself up to compete globally. During the visit, they also inspected several projects that show how serious the state government is about to develop. And I tell you for free, these projects are not the ones that you are even used to. These are projects that so many of us don't even know are existing or have existed in the state. We have the European Business Park and Austrian Eco-Social Market Economy Program. This European Business Park is located at Godfrey Okoye University, and this program is all about equipping young entrepreneurs with the skills they need to compete anywhere in the world. It's focused on teaching practical skills that can lead to job creation and innovation. Another project they also inspected was the NG Cares Basic Service Project. They visited this project aimed at providing basic services like water. Locations like Enugu, Ngo, Amagu, Obiagu, and the famous 9th Mile Waterworks were showcased. Here's the highlights. The 9th Mile Waterworks was completed in just 180 days. Another project that was inspected were the smart green schools, healthcare centers, and farm estates. At least we are all conversant with this particular project. The Minister of Budget and Economic Planning said that Enugu is one of the top performing states when it comes to using NG Cares funds. This is important because it shows that public funds are being used properly and efficiently. The Austrian ambassador also described Enugu as a great place for investment and growth, which is good news for attracting international businesses and creating more opportunities for the people. How I wish other southeastern state governors can learn from this. The developments in Enugu show how serious leadership and a clear vision can make a difference. As we talk about these projects, it's important to keep asking questions like, will these initiatives continue at this pace? Hopefully, yes, it will. How will they directly benefit the people? Are there lessons other states like Ebonyi, Imo, Anambra, Abia can learn from Enugu's approach? Here at Ebonyi People TV, we believe in sharing facts, educating our viewers, and encouraging meaningful conversations. What do you think about Enugu's progress? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.